Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and tap on this button with 3 lines to access it in the background. Following that, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner and select split screen from the list. Now just click on the other app. As you can see, finally I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!